Hello, everyone. Can you see my screen and hear my voice? Just please confirm to me that you can see my shared screen and hear my voice. Okay, you can see now the screen? Okay, thank you so much. Well, I will be starting today with our lesson that is regarding or about analyzing video content with computer vision and Azure machine learning. So until now, we have explained what we mean by machine learning. We have seen many sessions about that. And today we'll be starting our first video analyzing session or training that is related to analyzing a video. Well, we are going to be using the computer vision and Azure machine learning in the next lessons, but today we are going to see the ready-made solution that is based on the machine learning and the computer vision technologies together, which is called the Azure Video Indexer. The Azure Video Indexer has a lot of capabilities that we can use in order to start analyzing our videos. All we need to do is just upload the video into a well-made and already trained portal that can do a lot of things with our videos. This is what we're going to see with Azure Video Indexer, how we are going to log to this portal that is based on Azure technologies, how we can, what does it do, how does it extract custom insights that are pre-trained for this video indexer, and how we can use this video indexer with APIs, which means that how we can share this video indexer or this service with applications that we created or websites that we created in order to do the same job with our projects that are based on indexing or extracting information from videos. So let's head start with explaining about the video indexer capabilities. What can the video indexer do? Since, as I told you, it is built on like 30 plus models, so what happened with Video Indexer? It was trained on different models in order to have this capability in order to access or extract information from videos. So it can do a lot of things. All we need to do is to upload this video into the portal, and after that, the portal will be starting to analyze the video based on different models that can be able to do what is seen here in the list. It can do facial recognition, but as you can see, it has limited access. I will explain that for you in order to understand why does it have limited access, because it needs approval. As we all know, facial recognition is a personal thing. So if we are not having a license, like we are a government institution, governmental institution, or some institution that has this approval, so we can't just use this open source technology. We need to have a license in order to recognize faces for individuals or for people. But there's an exception for that when we're talking about celebrities. Celebrities are uh, recognized automatically by this feature or by this portal or by this service. So whenever we have a video that includes public people or people like presidents or like uh, actors or actresses or sports champions, the model can use what is called the facial recognition and can recognize these people. So this is something we should understand. We can also, it can also extract characters from video using the model or the technology which is called optical character recognition. So if we have a video and by the video we've seen some signs or some banners or anything that includes characters, so it will be extracted and we can see or manipulate this information coming in these videos. Also, if we have a video about persons that are talking, it can do what is called speech transcription. So if we like to have an example or a practical example, maybe we have a video like explaining something or giving a lesson. Someone is giving a lesson and he is talking in English language, but in an accent that we are not so familiar with. So we can't understand everything the presenter is talking. We can just enable the speech recognition, and the speech recognition will start transcribing these into characters, and we can read, or maybe we can extract these texts to use them somewhere else. Also, it can identify topics. What is this topic about? This topic or this video's topic about? This video is talking about technology. This video is talking about sports. This video is a movie. This video has a topic, and this indexer can also extract this topic from these videos. Sentiment analysis, which means that how the people are feeling. Is it a positive feeling or a negative feeling? It will display that to us in percentage. Like in the video, the total sentiment of the video gives that this video was a positive video or was a negative video in sentiment and the feelings. This is something also it can be extracted from this video. In addition to that, it can also extract labels, label tags that identify key objects or themes throughout videos, like cars, like trees, like persons. It is identifying the objects, okay? It's not saying in case of a people, who is this man or who is this lady. It just identifies the object of a human being or of an animal or of a tree or of a car or of a building. Whatever things that we might need to know can be extracted from this video. It also can detect content moderation, like detection of adult or violence or violent themes in a video. If this video includes any adult content or violent theme, it can be detected. Then you can just prohibit this video, enable it or disable it. 1 second, please. And it also can see what is called, scene segmentation. It can break down the video into parts or different scenes, starting like on a topic, ending with another topic. So it has something like a breaking down for the video. All of these are already built in this technology or in this video indexer service. So is it customizable? If these things, if the language used is not the language that we want, if the sentiment, we need to just adjust or edit anything of these extractions, yes, we have the ability to do that. So although this version or this service is built on and ready to work directly, we still have the ability to customize the models within these services. So all we need to do is go to add our models or add our data sets that we need to add to the learning, and we just customize the service. Is everything fine? Is everything understood until now? Just raise thumbs, let me know that is Everything is good. Did someone write anything on the chat? Okay, that's great. So now let's move to the next slide. As you can see, what we have talked about that can extract custom insights, people, add images of the faces of the people you want to recognize in videos, and train the model. So now we're talking about customizing. If we need to customize this video, if we have the licenses to enable facial recognition, maybe you are now working with a governmental institute and they have the ability or the permit or the legal reason to recognize people, all you need to do is to add these images of these people with the information related to them in order to start recognizing people. I will give you a quick example. Let's say we are working in a security company or a security institute that is related to the government, and this institute is monitoring a place that accepts or receives different people. All you need to do is to, and your target is to find dangerous people or people who are uh, categorized as dangerous in different methods or in different aspects. This is up to the government to decide who is dangerous and who is not. Maybe there are other categories, maybe let's think of any other things. Just now, for the current example, let's say about dangerous people or terrorists or whatever. They have their picture, they know that they will be coming or going in the country. So there are several cameras or surveillance cameras in different places, in different halls, maybe on the streets. So I can upload the pictures of these people to these models and make the video indexer just identify these persons. And whenever it identifies these people, that identifies this dangerous persons or terrorists, for example, it can just send an alert to the nearest police station, to the nearest security protection institute around, and they can do what they should. In addition to that, I can use or update the languages that I'm using. Maybe I'm trying to manipulate a video that is in a language that I'm not familiar with, maybe Chinese, maybe Japanese, maybe Italian, or the languages that are not mostly used. I can also edit or customize the outcome of this video indexer that is indexing or reading videos and taking that. I can also add the brands that I want. Maybe I'm now in a gallery and I have like different companies with different brands coming. I would like to categorize, I would like to analyze, I would like to index who is sharing. So I might add some brands that are within this gallery, and I update, again, the word is data sets of the models that are being used within that video indexer. Just let me a bit break the ice and show you the video indexer interface. So this is the video indexer interface. All I need to do is to upload the video that I want, and it would be working automatically. Let me ask you guys, did you have your Azure accounts ready? Did you have your Azure accounts ready in order to use? Okay, that's great. So in order, okay, please, Balqis, the persons who didn't get their Azure accounts ready yet, please ask the person that are with you, how did they get that, and follow the procedure, because I am going to give you an assignment that you would need that would need to be ready for the next Monday, for the next session. So please, within this weekend, go ahead and let others, if any of the persons here can tell us what procedure did they do in order to get their Azure accounts ready, please let us know. Okay, I will tell you good things now, but let me just finish and show you what I'm talking about. But please, contact with each other. Now with the AI indexer, we can just do a trial account and bypass this. But for further use, we will be for sure needing the Azure account to be ready for us. Okay, so here, as you can see, I have two videos in my own environment that I have created. Let me just take this address and open a new incognito window to show you what you'll be seeing. Control V. This is the URL of the video indexer. I will drop it on the chat. As you can see here, there are different ways in order to log into this video indexer. If you have already your Azure, you can use it here. If you don't have it, you can even go with personal Microsoft account, any account, Outlook or Hotmail or whatever belongs to Microsoft, or even you can do it with Google. So for our next session, or for the assignment, or let me tell you, the exercise I'm going to give you for the next time, you can just log in with your Azure account or with your personal Microsoft account or with any Google account. So when you log in with that, you will be able to see this interface, of course, without any videos. It will be without any videos. These videos I have uploaded for you in order to save some time instead of waiting to load the videos. But when you have your account ready, all you will need to do is to upload, press on the upload, and get the video from your computer and drop and drag and drop here. As you can see, I have different videos. This is the YouTube. I have a lot of videos. All I need to do is just drag and drop. Let me find one that is not so big or large. These are very large files. Oh. Anyway, I should find a smaller one. Anyway, I will just select any one that is not large. I guess this one is not large. Okay, I will drag and drop here, and all I need to do is close this one. And here I would select if I have different files, other files I would need to add. I press on the add and also do the same, so it can just index multiple videos. I go here with the advanced indexing. As you can see, if it is a public file or project, you can select public. Here I would select the single bit rate for faster processing. Video source language, if I have different languages, I can select the language that I want, so it can read and understand the language being used. So these are coming from the pre-training of the model. Okay, I will tell you something, that when we finish our training, at the end of our all training, we will be creating something like this service. So I'm just showing you the last product of what we're going to be doing at the end of our course. So as you can see here, it has been training for the languages, for different languages. As you can see here, you can also edit the languages, and I will not do it now in order to just complete the explanation. So I can select the languages that I want. I can go with different indexing presets. I can change what I want. I can add the things that are enabled by the models. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a final product we are using, but our target in this course is to create a similar product. Okay, and we can also use this product and edit this product. So we have multiple options when we're talking about video editing or video manipulation. As you can see here, people model is not enabled because it needs, as I told you, a permit or a license to use it. So here I can also add the brands that I want, or I need to press here and add the data sets that I want, which includes the pictures and the brand names, the details about it. Here, when I need to add my customized data sets. So again, a data set, what is a data set? A data set is a file that includes information about things that I want to train the AI on. It might be pictures of people. It might be pictures of any objects like fruits, like animals, like buildings, like banners, like whatever I would like to train the model to be able to recognize in my videos. All I need to do is to train the model, is adding these data sets to the ready-made solution, which is here, the video indexer. Regarding our solution that we are going to do, we can also customize the model on the target that we want to have based on our training, or what do we want this video to index or extract information, what type of information. So while I am training the model, I will be adding different data sets. Okay, here if I have custom logos, if I have anything I would like to add. So let's get back to the basic settings, and now we'll press on review and upload. Okay, by checking this, you will need to agree and press on the upload. I will leave it running on the background while I get back to the presentation. So until now, again, I would like to ask you, is everything well and everything is understood until now? Okay, that's great. So now let's head to the next slide. We have, as I told you, can have the ability to just enable our product or our solution in other places. Like if I have a service that is online, or if I need to have the same as this video indexer, or I would add this video indexer into another application that I have it online, all I need to do is to select what is called the video indexer APIs and widgets. The widgets is used in Azure Video Indexer to play, analyze, and edit videos, and can be embedded in your own custom HTML interfaces. What do they mean by your custom HTML interfaces? It might be a website, it might be a web application. So you can use these in order to share these insights coming from the videos that have been indexed, to share this information into, let's say, the university website. I will give you a quick example about that in order to have a good or clear understanding about the idea I'm talking about. Let's say our project is maybe to just add a video in order to extract information about the first day of university attendance. There will be a party to welcome everyone. Everybody, all the students will be coming. The dean will be talking to everyone. So we have an event that includes people coming, activities running, maybe some companies are welcoming with you because they will be making like partnership with the university. So we have objects, we have banners, we have people, we have a lot of things. I want this video that was taken by several cameras, or these multiple videos that were taken by several cameramen, be added to the storage that I have, and they all to be indexed or manipulated. So I would be selecting different files coming from different cameramen, as I told you, and I would be selecting different models to extract the overall sentiment of what was happening. Were everybody happy, or were they sad? Were they afraid? Whatever sentiment. We'll need also to take what companies were arriving to the university day, first day, who talked on this event, who was, will just stress on the main people like the university dean, because we can just say that they are celebrities within our own university, or maybe in the educational sector in the country that we are working in. So we can consider them as celebrities and let them be available on the indexing, or the indexing can detect them. It also can detect, let's say, maybe we are taking pictures from the buildings of the university, from the rooms or whatever. We can see the equipments that are in the university laboratories, like laptops, like experimental devices, whatever. So the idea here is I collect all the information that have been taken, and I can have them listed in the indexer. But the dean or the manager or the person who is responsible about what that event wants me to create, like a web page that is built on the data that were coming from these videos, like how many people attended, like how was the feeling, how was everything. So I would need to create maybe a visual dashboard, or maybe I would like to create any reporting method for that event. So people can go to that web page or to that application and see not only the videos, but also can see how was everybody, how many students were there, who talked in that event, in numbers and like in videos, small captions. It can also break through the video, as I told you. How can I do that? All I need to do is to use what is called the APIs and connect the outcome of this video analyzer to any reporting or any analyzing software or application maybe I have created, or it is already ready-made, like Power BI maybe, or Microsoft Fabric. All these things would make my reporting or my video analysis not only coming or getting result within the environment of the application that I have created, no, but I can add the power of using it in different applications or any, as you can see, the word that was set here, that into my custom HTML interfaces. When I say custom HTML interfaces, I can have a lot and a lot of that. Also, Azure Video Indexing provides a REST API that you can use to obtain information about your account, including an access token. This is, well, a bit technical. We are going to do that. How am I going to give the ability or the connection or the bridging between my solution or the Azure solutions that I create in video analysis, or maybe this in particular? All I need to have is to have my account. That's why I told you that you should log with an account, because each account have a token that includes the account, the service, and the secret keys in order to make it a private, and who can see it and who cannot. Okay, so all this information together, built together, are the powers that I can have with the power of the video indexer. Again, is everything clear until now? Is everything well said? Do you have any questions? Okay, that's great. Now let's head back to see our video that we were working on, see what happened. Okay, as you can see here, this video is being indexed. I will show you the videos that I already indexed, and I will show you the outcome of these indexes or videos indexing that happen. I have here two videos. All I did was the same steps that I did with here, and here I got ready-made or ready indexed videos. I have two videos that are ready for me to see. Let me open this one and show you what I'm talking about. I might stop the sharing and run it again because I need to share my audio. Just 1 second. Oh, it's not able. Okay, I'm not able to share the audio. Anyway, I will show you the video. This video is...
I'm Leslie Fisher. Hello from VET 2019. I am here to share with you some of my favorite tips that you can use right now. There's a lot of things that Microsoft's doing that I had no idea about, that I bet you didn't. This is an app called Seeing AI. It has been designed for people that are low vision or vision disabled. And this app does some amazing things. I'm just gonna, let's walk and let me show you some of the things that we can do here. And I'm going to say that I want to read short text. It's actually reading aloud what is being seen on that screen. The closed captioning that is coming up as it's being read. This is really awesome. The other thing I can do is I can come in here and I can say, let's take a picture of a document and save it. I can even click on a barcode and it will look at the barcode and tell me the product. One of the things it can do is it has a scene detector. So I'm going to come in here, let's go here, and we're going to take a picture of these guys. A group of people sitting at a table, which is just crazy. 33-year-old man with brown hair, wearing glasses, looking happy. Sir, are you happy? You're wearing glasses. And how close are you to 33? You're close enough. It identified that using Seeing AI, which is absolutely amazing. It does handwriting recognition. I could point to someone that wrote something in handwriting, and it will turn it into text. It also does currency conversion. It does so much more, and it is a wonderful assistive app that you can use today.
Okay, this video was explaining about a technology or an application that was created by Microsoft in order to help people with problems in seeing. This application they're talking about is called Seeing AI. So I have run this video by their video indexer in order to see what insights, what data it would extract from it. So as it has run and has been analyzed, let's see what was the results of these analysis. Okay, let's go down and see what was analyzed. As you can see here, let me just move this a bit away. 8 objects were detected. We can just see the results coming here. We can see that a cell phone was detected, a potted plant was detected, and it shows you exactly where was it detected, at which timeline frame. Here it can show you different mobiles, as you can see, potted plants, laptop, cup, chair, dining table, bottle, handbag. I would ask you a question. Let me, Anna, I ask you this question. Where did these items come from? Why did it detect these objects, not other objects? Can you have an answer for that? Okay, let me see your answer. These objects are saved from the developers. It is because, yes, this is the most direct answer. This is because of the model. These are the trained objects. This is what the model was trained on. So again, Muhammad, if I needed to detect other objects, can I do that? Yes. How can I do that? By what? By customizing the data sets. So it will be able to detect other objects, more objects, and can detect my customized data sets. Is that clear for everyone? Okay. Then, as you can see, we'll get down to the topics. What were the topics spoken about here? It was speaking about computer vision. It was talking about technology, as you can see here. And directly, we can just tell it and ask it. Whenever I press here, it will directly tell me where it happened, at what time frame of the video. Okay? So until now, I have detected objects. I had detected also, it's not me, the indexer detected 8 topics: computer vision, technology, science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing. All these were detected. Audio effect, silence, okay, because maybe I didn't use the sound. The keywords that were used, 25 keywords, as you can see: people, amazing. So when I see amazing, I will just start expecting the sentiment of the video. It would be happy video or positive video. Do you get the idea? Here from the keywords, as you can see, Microsoft, read, close, pictures, and 18 plus words, as you can see here. From these sets, or from this set of words that were indexed from this video, I can just see that a word that is called amazing, maybe it will be giving me an idea about the sentiment of this video. Let's get down also to the labels. We have 20 labels. We have black frame, we have person, we have clothing, we have a human face, we have text, we have glasses. As you can see, we just can press here and see what was extracted or taken from that video. Here we have 3 named entities, 1 people, because Leslie Fisher is someone who is known from in the area of technology, so she could be treated as a technology celebrity. That's why it detected her and gave her name. Okay, maybe other people that were in the video, we didn't have their names, or they were not detected because this is, as I told you, limited. Also, we have 2 brands in this video. As you can see, we have the Microsoft and the Microsystems. As you can see, it has detected 2 brands. If I need to see some description, it will describe also, it's describing this brand, which is Microsoft. It is a corporate, blah, 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 and I can find on Bing directly from here. Okay, it would take me to Bing and would show me Microsoft and all the details related to that company. Emotions, as you can see, we can see that the 16% or 16.71% were joy. So everybody is almost happy because, as you can see, her pictures, most of them, the lady is smiling, okay? Anger is 4.68%. I don't know where anger came from in this video, but anyway, this is how it categorized or indexed the video, okay? And it also gave us some screenshots from these images. I can just go to them, important scenes or breakthrough scenes. It is just detecting them, and it detected this page, which is called the Microsoft education page. This is the video I was talking about. So this is video number 1. So let's see our video that I have uploaded. This video is coming from my training sessions. Let me just see what did it extract about this video. Okay, again, I will not just make it run. I will just show you the results. Okay, as you can see here, the topics also science, mathematics, machine learning, artificial intelligence. The audio I have, this is the audio that was 30 keywords, Copilot. I'm talking in this lesson about Copilot, about Microsoft, about Copilot Studio, whatever. I can see 30 keywords, okay? The labels I have software, electronics, computer, and display. Unnamed entities, we have the Dataverse, which is related to Microsoft Technologies, which is a database related to that. People, Tom Friston, it's not Tom Friston, it's me. I don't know how did he give me this name. The brands, as you can see, these are the main brands within that video. These are the 7 scenes that were just implemented in here. As you can see, these are the results of what I have been uploading to this video. So before I go and start the exercise with you, I will just show you some references. I will share you some references related to this explanation. And these are the references or the resources that I want to share with you. Let me just explain them to you first. Here is the exercise we're going to start. We have the video analyzer or indexer exercise. When you press on that, all you need to do is start launching the lab, okay? I will skip it for a second until I finish all the resources that I want to share with you. Then after that, I have here a resource that is related to the video analysis, everything related to video analysis. And of course, you can add more to your knowledge about that. This is I'm sharing with you. We also have another resource here I'm adding to you. This is more detailed things related to how I can share my application and the APIs and a lot of explanation if you like to read, but I will be explaining later when we start with our own project on Azure. And finally, this is something you should know. I was asked by Solange to share with you. This is our WhatsApp group that we're going to use, that are already using in our training. So these are the resources. I have shared with you all the resources related to that. Let me head back to the exercise, okay? I will show you how to perform this exercise. And please go ahead and start this exercise during the weekend. It will not take a lot of time. It will give you a lot of information. And if you like to just open the exercise and follow the steps without the resources on that exercise, use a video from your own videos, maybe a video for you, maybe a video for your family, maybe a video about Qatar, anything you would like to index and see how you can do that yourself easily with this ready-made, uncustomized until now application, which we are going to create the same as, but we are going to customize our needs to suit what we are going to be using. So I will be heading back to the exercise. Let me show you the exercise and how do you perform everything on that exercise. Let me just put the screen again. Where did I put this exercise? Here is the exercise. I will bring it into here. Okay. I will run through it fastly. It will ask you to launch the lab. The start, as you can see here, it's a 30-minute lab. Okay, so it will not take so long. Start the lab. Wait until it launches. Okay, as you can see here, let's just wait for it. I will show you how you work with any exercise. Retry the connection, it always does that, but it will run. Here we can see what's called the instructions of the exercise, how you do everything step by step. So as you can see here, it opened the interface of a virtual machine. What happened now is that this lab is offering us a virtual environment for our lab so we can start working with these instructions. Besides these instructions, we have what is called the resources. If we need to have a username or a password, we can find them there. So in order to log to this machine, I don't have to copy and paste from here to there, like doing copy and paste. All I need to do, or not even type, all I need to do is to put the cursor on the required box and press on the T letter, so it will fill the information automatically. As you can see, I will delete that and will show you what happens. All I did is put the screen here or the cursor here and press on the text that I want to be copied, and then I can log into the system. Now I will go to the instructions of this training exercise. As you see, it's telling you here what I did now. It's telling you to to press on the letter T, whatever you want to do. Here we can now start exercise or working on the exercise. It's telling you now to start cloning the repository of this course, which means that we need to have some information or some data or some files related to the exercise. Where do we get this information? We get this information from a repository on GitHub. If you are familiar with GitHub, that's good. If not, GitHub is a place that we can create resources, and also we can share these resources with each others and even between us as groups. So what is I should do here is to start the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is the environment I use if I need to write code and apply this code to a certain solution. And our solution, we are always talking about the Azure. But if I need to write a C++, a Java, a Python, or any programming languages, Visual Studio Code is a light version of Visual Studio, and it can be customized to the environment that I want. Now, all I need to do is press on the Visual Studio Code. As if I'm working on my own computer. You can just simply go directly to the web page of the OpenAI indexer. And if you have your own video, you can skip these here. But I'm showing you that in order to see what I'm talking about in different things like the GitHub and also the Visual Studio Code. Now, there is a repository on GitHub you can access directly from your computer. It's not supposed only to be running from this virtual machine. If you take this and paste it on your Edge browser or Chrome, you can access the same place I'm talking about. So here I want to have this folder, which is called AI Vision, MS AI Vision, Microsoft MS Learn, AI Vision. I want this folder to be on my computer. All I need to do is press Control Shift plus P. It will open this command prompt. Here I can type commands. The command I need to run is get clone. So I would type get. What happened? Okay. Again, I will put here. I will type get. As you can see, it gives me all the get commands. I will select the get clone and will press on enter. It will ask me to create. What's that? It shouldn't ask me to log in. What is happening? Let me do that again. I will type again get. Git clone again. Clone from the extension wants to sign in. Allow. So you will have to create an account or use your own account. I have my own account. Let me figure it out. I just forget my own account. Just 1 second. Or let me do one other thing. I will just, I don't know what this is happening. 1 second, please. This is my account. Can you please share the link to the exercise? I did, and I will do it again, okay? I will do it in a second, don't worry. I hope I remember my email, my password. Okay, the password is not wrong. Again, thank you so much. It's not accepting my password. Let me try to do a walk around this one. Copy, Control V. Okay, I had the instruction. I had the access. I don't know why is it giving me hard time. All I need to do is to go to lab files and select the video indexer. And this is the video that I want. And I will download it. Okay. Now the video is downloaded. Where is it downloaded? Into my downloads. Okay. Now I can continue the exercise. I don't know why does it ask for that. I will skip this one. I will close it. And now I have the video downloaded into my computer. Okay. After that, I would need to go to Video Indexer, and I will open a new window here, or this window here, the same thing, blah, 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 enter. Okay, I can select again Microsoft Entra ID or personal Microsoft account or Google account. So it's up to you. If you have your accounts ready, you can use them, or you can, let's start with a Google account now. In order to just show you, this is my email, this is my account. Okay, just go away. Next. Oh my God. I am sure I don't remember my password. Let me try another way. Never. I will use my Hotmail or Outlook. Okay, I will use my Outlook, which is ready for that. Okay, I am sorry for that. If you remember your password, you will not face anything. But since I am like mostly in Alzheimer, this is what happens with me. Okay, it will send a notification for my phone. It's 12 and approve it. Yes, this occurred because I'm using multi-factor authenticator. Anything or anything happens on my account will be, as you can see, this is the environment that I have. You will be having nothing. It will be just empty. And you would like, I will press on upload, browse files, and will search for the downloads. And I can see my responsible AI. I will open it and it will index it and will give me review and apply. By clicking I apply here, upload and index, it will add this file to my indexing and it will give me the results related to that. Let me again share. When it finishes, you will see the results coming from there. I hope this was clear because it is easy steps. And this is again the exercise. Please do it. I am dropping it again on the chat box. This is the exercise. And please do it just maybe for fun or maybe just to fix what we have seen in order to get an idea about what we're going to see. And please, if anyone do it, please just prepare it for next time and show it to me. I would be grateful. It is the end of our session. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will notify you about the time for the next session. It will be on Monday, but we're still fixing the timing. Are we going to use a model trained on sign language or are we going to fine tune our create one? We are going to create our own models, the models that we will be agreeing on. We will split into groups and have discussions related to what we are going to do. I'm just explaining everything before we head to, I guess, in the next week, not this one, the one after, we'll be working on our model. Are we going to create a model to detect sign language or on real time or based on videos? We'll discuss what our needs are and we'll see what we do. Don't worry about anything about this. Okay, if you have any questions before I leave, let me know, please. I was very proud of you today. You are coming in good numbers. I hope we'll fix everything related to your timings for the next sessions. Maybe just 1 week will be, maybe, I'm not sure. I will notify you on the group on Monday what will happen on the training, what is the timing, but sure, we will, because you know what happened here is that we have daylight saving. This is something that confused all my schedule with other trainings. But I promise I will solve it to you because I want you to be available, not to watch videos. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope we'll meet on Monday. Thank you.